Good morning, dear students. Today we will study degree of comparison. Okay, so pay attention and listen and understand carefully. Okay, dear students, degree of comparison. First of all, you should know what is degree of comparison. Okay, so for this we use adjectives to describe a noun or a pronoun. When we want to compare two or more nouns, we use the degree of comparison of adjectives. There are three degrees of comparison: the positive, the comparative, and the superlative. Dear students, when we use to compare two nouns, okay, we use degree of comparison. Okay, degree of comparisons are three types: positive degree of comparison, comparative degree of comparison, and third one is superlative degree of comparison. Okay, so first of all, I make you to understand what is positive degree of comparison. So let's listen. We use the positive degree of adjectives when there is no comparison, or the nouns or pronouns being compared are equal. Okay, dear students, in positive degree, okay, of adjective, okay, when we compare anything is equal, okay, compared thing is equal, or there is no comparison. Okay, both things will be happen in this condition when positive degree. Okay, if the comparison is equal or there is no comparison. Okay, in positive degree. Example: Munnar is called. Okay, no comparison with any other hill stations. Okay, in this sentence we see that Munnar is called. I am saying that Munnar is called, but there is not any other pronouns or nouns through comparison from Munnar. Okay, now we see second example. Darjeeling is as cold as Munnar. In this sentence, both hill stations are equally cold. Okay, dear students, here I am using adjective age, okay, it means both are hill stations are as cold. Okay, same cold. Darjeeling is as cold as Munnar means both hill stations are equally cold. Now we see another example. This is difficult. It means no comparison with any other things. Okay, but when we say that this is as difficult as that, okay, it means both tasks indicated by the pronouns are equally difficult. This or that. Okay, this is as difficult as that means the both the difficulty is same difficult, equally difficult. Okay, we use as adjective as to make same things equally. Okay, now we see we sometimes use the positive degree in the as adjective as form. Okay, as adjective as form to show two things share a quality in the same degree. Okay, to share a quality of same degree. Understood? Okay, you have understood positive degree. What we see now, comparative degree. Okay, comparative degree, we use the comparative degree of adjective when two comparison is between two nouns or pronouns. It means when we make a comparison with two nouns or two pronouns or two things. Okay, we okay And we can say, see here some examples. Leh is colder than Darjeeling. Okay, Leh is colder than Darjeeling. It means Darjeeling is not as cold than Leh. Leh is colder than Darjeeling. Okay, this is more difficult than that. It means this is more difficult than that. Okay, here I am saying that one is more and one is less. Okay, it means I am comparing with two things or two nouns. For this we use then okay, to show the comparison of comparative degree. Okay, and use a comparative degree of for to show any comparative comparison. Okay, now we see superlative degree of comparison. We use the superlative degree when we compare three or more nouns or pronouns and we want to express the highest degree of some person, place or things. Dear friends, here we can say that superlative degree when you compare things with three things or more things or things a group, or when we show a things greatest or biggest or from all. Okay, this is called superlative degree, and we use the article before superlative degree. Example is, Leh is the coldest hill station. It means here Leh is the coldest hill station. It means all hill station of India, the Leh is the coldest hill station of all. Okay, expresses the highest degree in comparison. This is the most difficult of all. It means this question is more difficult, expresses the highest degree in comparison. Okay, this is the superlative degree of comparison, and before superlative degree we use the article. Okay, now see another page. There is a comparative and superlative and comparative and superlative and positive degree. Okay, most adjectives of one or two symbols and adjectives ending with vowels. How we form a comparative superlative degree of adjective? Let's pay attention. Okay, generally when we form positive degree there is word dark. Okay, when you make comparative degree we add er. Okay, we add er. Generally dark, darker, and in the superlative degree we add est. What? We add est. It means dark, darker, darkest. Darkest is the superlative degree. In this way, fair, fairer, fairest. Okay, grey, grayer, greyest. In another adjectives ending in consonant plus y, in this condition we add pretty, we remove y and add ier. We replace y with I and add er, like prettier, lazier, luxier. Okay, lucky, lazy, lucky. Okay, in this way prettiest, laziest, luckiest. In another, most adjectives of more than two symbols. Okay, more than two symbols, like this we add more before the adjective. We add more before the comparative degree, and we add most before the superlative degree. such as example, expensive, we add here, add more expensive. We add more before adjective. More expensive, more delicious, more tastiest. It means this is comparative. And to make comparative superlative degree, we add most before the expensive, before the adjective. So we can say that most expensive, most delicious, most tasteless. Okay. Now in another rule, positive degree is big double consonant, then we add double consonant and add er. Like if big, bigger, biggest. Okay. Another thing is sad, sadder, saddest, hot, hotter, hottest. Okay. In another example, positive degree nice, nicer, nicest. We only add er or st. Okay. Another fine, finer, finest, cut, cutter, cuttest. Okay. In another rules, positive degree and superlative degree differently change. Good, better, best. Okay. In bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, far, farther, farthest, old, older, oldest. This is the chart for how to form a degree. And now we see another paragraph. Okay, there is some exercise and some rules here also. Okay, in the comparative degree we use then after the adjective. Okay, then we use then, word then after the adjective. Like Sunil is happier than Komal. Okay, I mean, but we do not use the word then after elder. Okay, use to after the word. However, we use then after older. For example, Heather is elder to his sister. Heather is older than his sister. Okay. In superlative degree, we always use the article the before the adjectives. For example, Sunil is the happiest child. Heather is the eldest. Okay. Now we see exercise. Please pay attention and see and watch carefully. Complete these sentences using the correct degrees of comparison of the words given in brackets. Do not forget to use then or as appropriate. Okay, let's see. 1. My shoe size is big. Yours. Here will be bigger than. What will be bigger than? Another example is hot air is lighter than. What will be lighter than cold air? Okay. Hot air is as cold as air light. Okay. Now another example. There in the hills is the phrase of all. Here is the phrase of all. The hills is the phrase of all. Here is the hill is the phrase. Okay. Now a stream is as narrow as a river. Okay. Goldilocks found the baby bear's bed the softest. Okay. In K2 is the highest peak in India. Okay. Sachin Tendulkar is one of the best player. Okay, best batsman in the world. We find playing chess is more enjoyable. A sleeping bag will be as useful as. Okay. And villas are more costly among the houses. Dear students, I think you have understood the exercise. If you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitation. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.